Okay, we have a Harrison Alpha 330 Plus CNC manual flatbed lathe. Serial number S20306. This machine was new in 1999, and we are going to run her for you. Machine has a Alpha Fanuc control. Right now he's running 225. Yep. Machine goes up to 1750 RPM. You have a CAMLOCK D14 spindle with a 1.5 inch hole. That's 500 RPM. Can you see over the, how much? 900 RPM. That's digital hand wheels simulating manual ones. It's moving in longitudinal. In the manual mode, the control acts as a digital readout. Machine also has constant surface speed. The tailstock is a number, I'm not sure what the taper is, but, and there you go, there's a tailstock quill, 4 1/4. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.